After 2 or 3 weeks of continuous efforts to break up the monotony of home confinement, a refreshing alcoholic beverage is well overdue, and thankfully liquor stores are considered essential businesses. Today we'll become mixologists and create the national drink of Singapore, the Singapore Sling. The Singapore Sling originated at Long Bar at the Raffles Hotel in Singapore. Around 1915, Nyam Thong Boon was the bartender at Long Bar. At the time, it was not appropriate for women to be seen drinking alcohol in public, so Nyam developed a drink that looked like a fruit juice, but was actually infused with gin and liqueurs. There are various stories about the original recipe being hidden or lost, particularly back in the 1920s and 1930s. The Raffles Hotel itself has revealed recipes with slight variances and different formulas over the years as well. Benedictine is the one constant component recipes incorporate. Nevertheless, the ingredients here will create a solid Singapore Sling. We'll need 1½ ounces of dry gin, a ½ ounce cherry brandy, ½ ounce of lime juice, a ¼ ounce orange curacao or Cointreau, a ¼ ounce Benedictine, a third of an ounce grenadine, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, a dash of Angostura orange bitters, a cherry, and a pineapple wedge. We'll also need some ice for mixing and serving. Combine the liquid ingredients in an ice-filled cocktail shaker. Shake vigorously for about 20 to 30 seconds. This should help generate the froth necessary to top off the drink. Then strain into an ice-filled Sling cocktail glass. Garnish with a pineapple wedge and cherry, and enjoy your refreshing beverage. If you want to experience the official Singapore Sling, go to raffles.com/Singapore to plan your trip.